Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. So this is the beginning of material life. To become envious of Krishna. Why Krishna shall be enjoyed? I shall be enjoyed. Why Krishna shall enjoy the gopis? I shall become Krishna and enjoy, make a society of gopis and enjoy. This is Maya. Nobody can be enjoyer. Krishna therefore says, Bhokkanam Jagat. See, Krishna is the only enjoyer. And if we supply ingredients for his enjoyment, that is our perfection of life. And if we want to imitate Krishna, that I shall become a god, I shall become an imitator, enjoyer, then you are in the mark. Simply, our business is just like the gopis' life. Krishna is enjoying, and they are supplying the ingredients of enjoyment. Yes. This is bhakti. We are meant for, Krishna is supplying the servant and master. The servant is being supplied all the necessities by the master. But the servant's duty is to serve the master. That's all. Ego bahunang ju vidudhati kaman nitya nityanam chetanas chetana. These are the Vedic infants. Krishna is supplying you immense, all the necessities of life. There is no scarcity, there is no economic problem. You simply try to serve Krishna, then everything is complete. Because he is Rishikesh. Where so much Krishna desires, there may be ample supplies. Just like in your country, there is ample supplies. In other country, I went to Switzerland, everything is imported, no supply. The supply is only snow. Take as much snow as you like. You see, similarly, everything is under the control of Krishna. If you become devotee, then there is no snow supply, simply food supply. And if you don't become devotee, be covered with snow, that's all. Covered with cloud. Everything is under Krishna's control. So actually there is no scarcity. The scarcity is Krishna consciousness. So if you become Krishna conscious, then everything is ample. There is no scarcity. This is the power. Taya Rishikesh. And yet he said, Taya Jatha Rishikesh Khalena Deva. The world is full of dangers. But Devaki, Kunti Devi says, but because Devaki is your devotee, you saved her from the distresses offered by her envious brother. As soon as the brother heard that my sister's son, eighth son of my sister, will kill me, he was ready immediately to kill Devaki. So he was pacified by Devaki's husband. It is the duty of the husband to give protection. My dear brother-in-law, why you are envious to your sister? After all, your sister will not kill you, her son will kill you. That is the problem. So I shall deliver all the sons to you, then you can do whatever you like. Why you are killing this innocent girl? Newly married, she is your younger sister, just like your daughter, you should give her protection. What you are doing this? So Kansa became pacified. He believed in the words of Vasudeva that he will deliver all the sons, and if you like, can kill. He thought, let me save the present situation. After all, later on, when Kansa gets a nephew, he may forget this enviousness, but he is never to forget. Yeah. He killed all the sons and kept them in prison. Sucharpita, Bodhya, Atichiram. Atichiram meant for a long time. So, you are saved. Devaki was saved after all. Similarly, if we take the position of Devaki and Kunti just like with her sons, Pancha Pandava, 5 Pandavas, after she became widow, the whole plan was Dhritarashtra's, how to kill these children of my younger brother. Because by chance I was blind, so I could not get the throne of the kingdom. My younger brother got it. Now he is dead. Then at least my sons, they should get the throne. That was his policy, Dhritarashtra's policy. I could not get. This is material propensities. I shall be happy, my sons shall be happy, my community shall be happy, my nation shall be happy. These are extended selfishness. Nobody is thinking Krishna, how Krishna will be happy. Every man is thinking in his own terms. How I shall be happy, how my children shall be happy, my community shall be happy, my society shall be happy, my nation. This is the struggle for existence. Everybody will find. This is material existence. Nobody is thinking how Krishna will be happy. Therefore, this Krishna consciousness is very sublime. Try to understand from Bhagavatam, Bhagavad Gita, and Rishikena Rishikesha Sevanam, and try to engage your senses for the service of the master of the senses, then you will be happy. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,